Well, hello. Welcome back to another movement of the day. And what are we covering today's movement?
Airplane!
How to do the airplane. All right, get in your seat. Like any good pilot, you gotta follow through the checklist. Buckle up. What else do we have to do? All right, check the engines. Chick, 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 chick. Now we gotta do the airplane. Get your arms out like airplane wings. Welcome to Flight 117. We're here with Penelope and Jim at Movement University. And are you ready for takeoff?
Yes!
Okay, get your left wing out. Check the rudder. Get your right one out. Are those arms ready for takeoff?
Yes!
Start the engine. All right, let's go up in the air. Bend the hips forward. That's the wrong direction. Now, if you're feeling fancy, take that and go to the left. Woo! Go to the right. Go upside down. Don't crash the airplane. Thanks for following another movement of the day at Movement University. That was a beautiful demonstration of the airplane.